40 to 50% off. Assorted springs, bed, and a bag sets, $59.99. Macy's one-day sale.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County until 7/17. A severe thunderstorm can below producing heavy rain was located near Grapevine, moving east up to 35 miles per hour. This storm may contain 75 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Once again, the severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Tarrant County until 7/17. All North Texas stations affected by this alert request a relay a preceding message.
Finally, a minivan to live by. Introducing the all-new Mazda MPV.
Emergency Operations Center. Broadcasting towers in Sarah Hill have been collapsed due to the strong storms. Therefore, our postal stations have been knocked out of the air, and we could not send you alerts, except for cable and satellite. If you have cable or satellite, don't worry, we could send you out alerts. Also, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:19 p.m.
Okay, we're back on the air. Welcome to Dallas-Fort Worth Cable and Satellite News Network. So we are running a power generator so we could get back. But the stations in the Dallas-Fort Worth area are still knocked out of the air because of their transmitters being struck by lightning. And we don't have a live picture of our weather radar, but we could give you the current alerts at this time. Oh wait, new information. So it has been reported that a funnel has been spotted in University Park. So it's rotating. We're gonna go to and we have a call from Larry. So Larry, what could you tell us?
Well, Andrew, it's very bad. I mean extremely bad. I can see a funnel moving faster just 4 minutes away from us. Oh shit, touchdown. The tornado is growing wider fast. Okay, now the sirens are going off. I have to go
now. We have a period of technical difficulty on Larry. I hope he'll be okay. And we have breaking news. A tornado warning has been issued for Dallas County until 9/25. The National Weather Service says, okay, we have an alert coming up.
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 9:24 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., A severe thunderstorm came below, producing a tornado was located in University Park, moving northeast up to 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Dallas, Farmers Branch, Highland Park, and Irving. For your protection, move inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Okay, we're experiencing technical difficulties to our radar, so we are trying to reconnect. Also, a tornado warning remains in effect until 9:25 p.m. for northwestern Dallas County. Also, a flash flood warning might extend portions of Cedar Hill in a few minutes, according to the National Weather Service. I see a rotation near our studios, and okay, it's rotating very fast, very fast. Oh, funnel. We have a funnel near our studios in Louisville. So there might be a tornado warning. Oh. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go to shelter. We gotta go. Oh, not yet. Touchdown! Oh god, okay, the sirens are now going off.
Tornado emergency for the Western Metroplex. This is a potential mass casualty situation. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Dallas County and north central Texas, western Tarrant County and north central Texas, northwestern Denton County and north central Texas, until 8:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a large and extremely destructive tornado was located 2 miles west of Louisville, moving east around 35 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the western half of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source: while the enforcement and the public confirmed large wedge tornado with reports of catastrophic damage and fatalities in Louisville and Carrollton. Impact: this is a life-threatening situation. You could be killed, if not underground or a tornado shelter. Flying debris will deadly to those caught without shelter. Home and businesses will be swept from their foundation. Trees will be uprooted or snapped. Debris will block most roadways. Complete destruction of entire neighborhoods is likely, making the area unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted include downtown Dallas, Irving, Grapevine, Coppell, Arlington, Louisville, Flower Mound, University Park, and Euless. To repeat, a large, extremely violent and deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move immediately to a basement or an underground storm shelter. If no underground shelter is available, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, or if time allows, consider moving to an underground shelter elsewhere. Mobile homes and outbuildings will offer no protection from this violent tornado. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:47 p.m. Hello everyone, welcome to NBC5 News. We have managed to get back on the air for the latest news going on in the Metroplex. Our top story that a violent tornado has destroyed the western parts of the Metroplex, killing nearly 400 people and injuring nearly 600 people. There had been many reports that people have been trapped in their underground shelters. The Texas National Guard has arrived to assist people who those in need. More latest news will be there once we come back for commercial break.
I've never seen anything like Virgo.